Hey there, this is Sean Donahoe, and this is video 2 of 3. And I've got some very exciting stuff. I'm going to show you some of the really cool, hot features of WP Profit Builder, which is launching on September 16th at 11 a.m. There's the shameless plug. But I wanted to show you some of the really cool applications for this, because we built this with you guys in mind. In fact, a lot of my customers, a lot of my students, and a lot of emails I get from everybody, I've got thousands and thousands of students all over the world, they tell me what they need, what they want, and I try and build tools to help those needs. Now, a lot of my students are affiliate marketers. In fact, a lot of you guys are affiliate marketers. And if you're not an affiliate marketer, even still, everything I'm going to show you here today, you can adapt for your business as well. So we're going to cover some very cool stuff. But first, let me show you how we actually deploy templates and layouts in Profit Builder. We recently added this new feature where literally you can deploy any of our templates from our cloud distribution system, where you can literally look at any of these, pick the ones you want, and install in a snap. So for example, there's a Teespring one. I want to install that. See that? Click. What's happening is that's now pulling from our cloud server. It's now deploying that template inside your WordPress site for you to use now on any page you like. Very powerful stuff. And say, for example, I'll just click a couple. I'll add that one. I'll add that one. It all happens dynamically in the background. All beautiful stuff. And we have a lot of fun with that. So, a few of those are now just literally randomly click, done. Now the cool thing is a lot of these are kind of big. Some of these are big files. So they come down literally, it was far easier for us to literally give you a one-click installer rather than you having download lots and lots of zip files. But again, you can download them if you want to your hard drive, drag and drop them, whatever you want to do. We focus on flexibility. But what I want to do today is I want to show you some of the affiliate side of Profit Builder, because that's put the P in profit there. So we want to make sure that we have all of the flexibility to really emphasize how you can make profits. Okay, doesn't matter if you're building leads, creating sales pages, but this is going to be some ninja stuff I'm going to show you right here. So say for example, I've got a blank page here. And in this case, say I'm an Amazon affiliate, or I've got some other products. I want to do a kind of a review site. I want to review some certain products, compare them one against the other. Hey, no problem. So let's just say this is going to be an Amazon Kindle page, okay? Comparison. So just starting with a blank page, I'm going to turn off a couple of the elements I don't need. I don't need menus and footers and stuff like that. Turn that off, and then I'm going to click Publish. Oh, I could save to draft. I could do it that way. Either way. Now, I could just click Profit Builder, launch the builder, and again, this is WordPress 4.0. We are WordPress 4.0 compatible. Get that question a lot. And there's my blank page. Now I'm going to come up here. I'm going to load one of the templates that we loaded up, and it's called Review Page. If I click on that, look what happens. In just a couple of moments, there is a basic review page. I've preloaded it with some demo products. Now again, you can then come in here, change this to any product you want. You could be maybe, I don't know, antivirus software. You could be comparing sneakers. I don't know, anything you like. Tech equipment, mobile phones. Hey, maybe you want to tap into different watch technologies, wearables. Wearable technologies are very hot right now, especially with the release of Apple's new iWatch, or whatever they're calling it right now. You get the idea, guys. You could then compare it to the Android or all the other different phones. You can compare it to a Rolex. It doesn't matter. But you can put these things side by side, and if people make a decision on one or the other, you make some commission. It's all very powerful. The cool thing is that if you start doing things like this, you can actually drop retargeting pixels, so they start seeing your ads if you're retargeting, for example. I love targeting, but you can see all this is animated. You see that sliding in stuff, and again, we're going through a comparison. Ratings, all that was animated coming in, all the features, functions, and then what's the winner? There you go. Drop your affiliate link, you're good to go. Very sexy, very powerful, and again, mostly done for you. You can come in and change the colors around and everything else, drag and drop everything in. You know, we've gone through the drag and drop editor. For example, if I come in here right now, I can go, okay, what do I want to do? Well, this is basically a gallery, and you can come in here, you can choose what you want. See, I just removed one item, or maybe I just want to come in here and drop in some code, some affiliate code or what have you. Boom, done, easy. All you have to do is just play around. Now, that's a little bit of a gallery that we've got going on there. Let me close that. But again, you can then choose your ratings. Here's a little table. No problem. Click, boom, done. Click, boom, done. Click, boom, done. Simple as that. So that's pretty cool. Okay. And you can adapt this. You can customize it as you see fit. It's just one of the done for you examples. You can have an entire authority blog behind this or whatever you want. No problem at all. Now let's flip it on its head. Maybe instead of reviewing an Amazon product or something like that, maybe there's a hot new launch. For example, this new landing page and marketing page builder called, I don't know, let's pick one at random. Maybe Profit Builder. How's that for subtle? So let's say that you wanted to create a really cool promo page for Profit Builder. So, okay, let's do this. Profit Builder live review. Okay. The pros and cons. Maybe you want to try and launch check my site, my launch. Okay, fair enough. So what we'll do is, again, I'm going to hide some of the elements because I'm going to use a full page setup. And if you want to drop a retargeting pixel, put your retargeting pixel code right there. It automatically drops it for this page. You can also do video backgrounds, image backgrounds, and everything else. But you're good to go. And if you want to do an exit splash, which is something I do a lot, even on my review and affiliate sites, because I want to give them something just for checking it out. I want a second chance at capturing that lead. So I give a no-brainer offer. So again, that's just one of the things we built into, if you're using the Profit Builder theme, which is going to come with this system. So again, actually, I should say, if you're not using Profit Builder theme, we still include all of that power using the Profit Builder system. So if you're using WordPress 2014 theme or anything else, all you do is click an override button and it overrides your current theme. So it uses our base theme on top of your existing theme. So that's a really cool little feature right there. So anyway, we got that. Let me go to Profit Builder, click this tab, load the live editor, or I could click up here with this little Profit Builder icon. But here we go, blank page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load up another template. Click load. Takes just a second, load template. And this time I'm going to take the affiliate private offer. Now this is something I've been using a lot for promoting offers, especially when I'm giving away great bonuses and stuff like that. So as you can see, it's all loaded up. Great title, instant scarcity, 72 hours only. Here's the actual offer timer coming down. Boom, boom, boom. After this timer expires, I could make this evergreen if I wanted to. Let me just show you. We have evergreen timers. We have the ability to, for example, turn it off at a certain time if I want to. Timer style fixed or evergreen. So we got instant scarcity, and this basically drops a cookie. The first time you come and see this page, it drops the cookie. It knows when you viewed it, how long you've got left on your timer. After that timer expires, it will redirect you to, hey, sold out and everything else. So you can build basically your own little group on there or your own special deals. But it's great for literally giving genuine scarcity. No problem at all. And we've got all sorts of kind of timer elements and stuff in here. It's all very good. Different styles. You can customize whatever you want. Now again, just dropping in a video. I can drop in my timer, hey, this expires. Collect all your bonuses. You could list all your bonuses down there. Any questions? But again, we keep that scarcity on there. Boom, boom, boom. And then grab the link. Again, very, very powerful. I've made literally a fortune just with this style of page alone. Because what does it do? It gets the attention. It has genuine scarcity. Hey, watch this video right now. Now you could make the video autoplay or what have you, and you're good to go. Boom, boom, boom. I mean, we integrate with lots of different video systems. If it's on YouTube, click here, have it autoplay. Now it will start up automatically on load of the page. I'll turn that off so you don't get rocked out with my AC/DC riffs. And you can do all sorts of stuff. Change the branding, turn off the controls. All good to go. So, again, very, very powerful, very, very simple, and done deal. See how quick you can create these pages. That's the critical thing. You don't have to have a degree in design. You don't have to be a master coder. Literally click a few buttons, set it up on the page, and you're good to go. But what if you had a really great offer like this? Now, this is going to be cool. Say, for example, this was a CPA offer that I was promoting, okay? I found this. It pays $25 a lead, okay? Or per sale, I think it is. So you order a kit, you're good to go, and it's absolutely amazing, great, fantastic. It's a great payout offer. But you know what? I can make this even better, because you know that if you try and do any paid traffic, they don't like you going directly to affiliate links and everything else. Well, here's something I do. When I'm promoting an offer and it proves that it converts, I like to tweak things just a little bit. So here's how we do it with Profit Builder. Now, this is really ninja. This is really cool. And it's one of the things that I've been doing for a long, long time, especially with advertising, with paid traffic, banner ads. I'll do Facebook marketing. I'll do any sorts of pay-per-click marketing, any media buys, mass media buys. This just makes my life so much easier. So, for example, you'll see this here. This is kind of a nice green kind of acne offer. Okay, great. I'm going to take this URL. Watch what I do here. So we're going to call this exposed skincare. Okay, so that's the offer. Exposed skincare special offer. Okay, so this is going to be my special offer. Okay. Now again, when I'm promoting CPA ads or anything like this, I like to wrap my stuff up nicely. So while I've got this, I might also come down here. I would set up an exit page to something about acne. That's ninja trick number one. Have an exit so that you can capture the lead because only a certain percentage of your leads that you drive to a page buy. So why not try and capture that lead? Now, you could do it before the offer, you could do it after the offer, whatever you like. I like doing straight to the offer first and then try and capture it on the exit because that's where the vast majority are. But then I like the chance to give them an absolute no-brainer thank you, no commitment, just, hey, no-brainer, here you go, here's a special offer, grab it right now. I'll use a two-step opt-in, which we can do, as you'll see in the next video. And again, on the exit, boom, capture it. Here, just where would you like us to send your download? Done. You've got their information. All good to go. So let's actually, that's ninja trick number one. I'm not going to do it in this case because we're short on time for this video. I want to try and just show you some of the actual really, really cool stuff. I mean, that is a great trick that I just told you, but this one is going to blow you away. So, say for example, we start off with a blank page. All good. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a single row. Okay. Now, in this, I'm also going to go now to, I'll show you from here. Go to Advanced. And then I'm going to grab an iframe. Okay. Now, watch this. Okay, right now it's going to load in IM Success Center, our main blog. But I'm going to put my little affiliate link right in there. Not bad. Let's now take this row. Let's make it a full width row, as if by magic. Now, let's also take this iframe. See, I'm coming up here to edit the element. To the left is the rows. To the top is the actual element. I can turn off. Well, let me make it taller because this is a tall offer. Okay, so I'm going to make this. Let's see, 3,000. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down, see how far from the bottom we are. Actually, funnily enough, 3,000 is just about perfect. Okay, maybe a little bigger. Okay, because I'm trying to get rid of the scroll bars. So now I could turn off the no scroll. The problem being is, let's see how far we are. Yeah, see, we're not. This is how I gauge it. Not quite tall enough. So, okay, let me make it 6,000 pixels. Because I like to try and get it to the right height. See, that's where it goes. And maybe, I mean, depending on the offer, I want to see if I want to cut off some stuff that I don't want to show. say for example, there's all their links and things like that. You know, maybe I want to trim off a certain point at the bottom. Now again, probably shouldn't do that. You have to depend on what the terms and conditions of the offer are. But you can see I'm getting there, but I'm not getting to the order button. So I need to add maybe an extra 1,000 pixels. Let's see. So let's try that 7,000. Again, didn't do much prep work with this one, but there you go. That's about right. 7,000 pixels. Okay. So yeah, okay, that's fine. Now we're going to add the Ninja stuff. So first of all, what I've done, actually let me save this. I just want to show you what we've done here. First of all, we've cloaked the link. I mean, that's basically what we've done. We've put a nice iframe. This is now on our site. It's all good to go. We're using the best of their technologies. But let's add some real fun. Now, first of all, this is on my site now. So I can drop a retargeting pixel. Great, because with high-end campaigns, if I'm making a lot of money and I've got a lead there, I want them to see that lead everywhere. So I might do media buys, some very high-end stuff, and drive them, because I've literally just wrapped that up. But let's add a little bit of scarcity. Now, you see this here. This is kind of a nice green site. Let's add a little bit of scarcity. So what we're going to do is we're going to come to the bottom, going to add a new row. Now this is really cool. I love this stuff that I'm about to show you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm now going to add maybe a countdown timer. Okay. Now you see that timer's there. That's all good. Let's center that timer. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to take this row. I'm going to make it a full width row. And you know, I want to get the color of this. I'm going to make this match. Congruency is very, very important. So I'm using this is a little Chrome plugin called ColorZilla. This is not part of Profit Builder, I should say. But I'm just grabbing the color. I want that color there. What I'm going to do now is, and if you're detecting a weirdness in my voice, it's because I actually, even though I'm recording this, I have a hellacious summer cold right now. So, you know, I start sounding like James Hetfield. Yeah! Actually, that was poor imitation of James Hetfield, but you get the idea. I have a little bit of a chest cold at the moment, and my voice is going. But let me just add that. Okay, so got a little bit of a timer. Let me also add a little heading. I'll add that in this row as well. And I'll just say, this special offer is very limited. Act now to lock in these discounts. Now, again, I'm just making this up for this offer. You know, obviously you'd want to tailor it exactly as you see fit. I'll just pick a color and I'll do it from there because my last pass is getting in the way. Okay, but I'll do that. Okay, let me center that text and I'll custom font size. Let me do a little bit of, okay, say 24, and I'll tighten up the spacing a little bit just to give it a little bit of sexiness. Remove padding there. Okay, take that off. Okay, now in this row, here's the cool thing. We got several different Ninja tricks in our little scarcity arsenal that I'm about to show you. This is an affiliate marketing dream. So what we got there is we got a nice little row here. Okay, that's all cool, pretty sexy, but okay, what's the point? Well, the other thing we can do here is we can have two things. We can have timed rows so that the row could appear just at a certain time, like 10 seconds in if I wanted to. The other thing I can do, which again a lot of systems don't allow you to do, but hey, I built this for me and I built this for you. We give you all of this power. I'm going to show you that right now. So this row is now at the bottom, but we can now fix this row. Now what do I mean by this? I can lock it to the bottom. Now watch this. And now I'm going to refresh this page and watch this. Boom. Now here's the offer. It matches, but see that? Even as they're scrolling, they can't get away from the timer. The timer is putting that little bit of a countdown on them. Now maybe you could imply a graphic, or you could even make, maybe this timer is a bit too big. Maybe we want a smaller timer. Well, no problem. Change the timer. We'll go fluid clock. Okay, that's really big. But again, you can come in here, modify the height as you see fit. Maybe I want it, like a third of the size. Digitize and change things down. Okay, so you have full customization, whatever you want. Label size. Okay, those are a bit big, so let's take them down to maybe 18. Label color. So you have full control, whatever you want. And that's the beautiful thing. We give you all of that power right there. Now, again, fluid, I can choose whether I want it light, dark, whatever. It's entirely up to you. But again, instant scarcity. Now, again, you could add timed rows in. You can add all sorts of calls to action. You can drop your cookies. You can drop your retargeting code. That, my friends, is Ninja right there. And again, just a very, very simple technique. The cool thing is, now your domain, you can put this or special offers. And if you wanted to, you could have, all sorts of rotated offers going in through here. If this one is not converting, you've got all your great campaigns for an acne. Maybe all your campaigns are, I've got acne, cure your acne in 24 hours. Well, if this offer didn't work and it's not converting, well, boom, just come in here, change your page, change your offer, and no problem at all. Maybe you want to split test links. No problem. Use a link splitter. You just throw that in your iframe and rotate through them. No problem at all. But you can see how powerful that is right there. Now imagine you're doing that with any other product. Maybe you've got a product like, let's just take another example. So let's come over here and let's change the actual iframe. Click on this. Let's change it to, say, an affiliate link for IMSE Rapid Mailer. Okay, another great product. Now again, I'll judge how big my frame is. I'll stop this video playing because I'll play in a second. So just come down here, and my page is a lot longer, but let's just assume that we're good. Again, I'm going to pick up that color here, just because I like things to be matching. So I'm just going to grab that color. See that? Just grabbed it. Great little plugin, by the way, Colorzilla for browsers. Come over here. And again, I can take this template, copy it, and use it anywhere. So I could set up multiple offers, no problem at all, using the same foundation. Now again, the color here is not popping, so I'll just come to fluid clock, as we call it, and I'm going to change the label color. F. Okay, get it right. Missed that on the last one, but there we go. Act now to lock in these discounts. Boom, boom, boom. And again, the timer matches. Or if you want to really pop it, okay, no problem. Let's change it to black, or we can add an image in the background, or something like that. Let's do a little bit of a image background. Let's see what's actually on this box that I might be able to use. Okay, let's grab that one. Okay, a weird one, a weird example, but again, that actually wasn't full width. Let me just grab another one, see if I've got a full width one here that I might be able to use. Maybe not actually, maybe I don't actually have a full width one that I can easily use. Maybe. Let me have a look. Can't tell what that one is. I'll try that one. How big is that? Yeah, that's not very big. I need bigger versions of these, but you get the idea. I'll just pop that in here and do a parallax and turn that off, and you get the idea. That's a parallax scroller, but it's not. Let's do stretched. So again, as I'm rolling through this, I'll just save that, and again, just in a couple of clicks and a few seconds, I have an entire new promotion set up. And as I'm scrolling, again, that's all done and dusted. Hey there, this is Sean Donner. And there's my, hey, very important, timer. Boom, 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 boom. Dropping my retargeting pixels, dropping any cookies and all the rest of that good stuff. Right there, having fun. And again, timer, critical. Time is running out. Boom, boom, boom. Better act now. Now the cool thing is, again, just because I like conversions, I really like conversions, I'll change this from now to an evergreen clock, which I'm going to set at, okay, instead of, let's just say the special offer and my bonuses are going to expire in 6 hours, 12 minutes, and 38 seconds, or 15 seconds, okay? Now, watch this, see? That's now counting down. So I'm just going to, what I'm going to do is just to quickly show you what we mean by evergreen timer. I'm going to pull this up now in, say, Firefox, okay? Because I want to drop the cookie to myself just to demo this. But you're seeing the power of this. Again, this is affiliate marketing to the extreme. We just made everything so much easier for you in your business that literally, by the time you get to use this, you would wonder why you never, what you would have done without it. Okay, so you can see the countdown is counting down. Okay, now here's what happens if I close this window and I actually see this times 6:11:31. So I'm going to refresh this page as if I just closed it. And again, all the exit timer stuff works right there. But say, for example, I've just come to this page. Look, it continued the countdown. It knows who I am, what I've done, when I came to this. And when that offer runs out, that offer is out. I'm gone. I'm done. I've lucked out. But it tells me the urgency is real. That makes all the difference in the world. So you can have a lot of fun with that. So anyway, there you go, guys. That's it for this video. That is affiliate marketing ninja style. That is how you can create killer commissions. And as you can see, that is very, very powerful indeed. A lot you can do with that. A lot of adaptive things. And we did that in, what, minutes? I spent more time explaining it than it took to actually do it. Throw in an iframe, throw in a timed row or a sticky row, throw in a timer, drop your cookies, drop your retargeting pixels, and make more money than you could ever imagine. Very, very powerful system. And again, that's going to be released in Profit Builder when we open the doors on September 16th. But before that, we will have one more video. We're going to be talking about lead building, lead generation, and the way that we do it. That is very, very cool indeed. So again, we're just scratching the surface. There's an infinite number of things you can do with the system. And as you can tell, I'm really, really excited about this. And I'm so glad that I had a chance to show you this. So what we're going to do is, again, keep an eye on your email. We'll send out an email in just a few days, and you can check that out as well. In the meantime, like I say, I'd love to hear your feedback. What do you think? Any other suggestions? Any other ways that you could think that you could use this and have some fun with it? I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below or share this with your friends. Throw it up on Facebook. Show other people what we got going on here. And I think you're going to really enjoy it. So, guys, have fun. Have a blast. I know you're going to absolutely love the other stuff that we're going to be sharing with you. And let's do it all again very, very soon in the next video. Until then,